Have you ever wondered where your imagination can take you? Join Alex on a journey where puzzles unlock the magic of learning. Each puzzle brings us closer to understanding the world around us. With every challenge, Alex's curiosity grows, leading to amazing discoveries. Learning is an adventure, filled with joy and wonder. Together, we solve puzzles that teach us about nature's secrets. Every solution brings a smile and a sense of accomplishment. Our journey takes us through stories of heroes and legends. We learn that bravery and kindness are the keys to true friendship. Interactive activities make learning about science and math fun. Creativity flows as we draw and paint our dreams into reality. Music and dance bring us together, celebrating our unique talents. Through stories and games, we discover the joy of learning together. Every day is a new adventure, waiting to be explored with friends. Join us on this magical journey, where learning and fun meet.